Maharashtra before Shivaji. Now, where do we all live? Yes, we all live in Pune city. But where is this Pune? It is in Maharashtra. So, this is the map of Maharashtra. This is our Maharashtra. Now, whose picture is this? This is the picture of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so now, do we know who was this Shivaji Maharaj? We are going to learn in the lesson Maharashtra before Shivaji. Now, let us read the first para of the lesson. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Now, who was this Shivaji Maharaj? Now, come on, let us study. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj with great pomp and reverence. Now, what is the meaning of reverence? Reverence means honor. We put garland in his picture or idol and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Now, children, you must have seen these scenes. Okay, people singing povadas, we garland to his picture. Now, we also remove the procession like this. In this, can you see in the slide the procession of Shivaji Maharaj? And this is called povadas. Povadas means like bhajans, singing songs on his deeds. That is called povadas. Okay. So now you understood the first para. Now let us read the second. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyment instead of the welfare of their subjects. Okay, now medieval period. Now, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of medieval period. Now, children, what is this medieval period? Shivaji lived in the time of medieval period. Now, medieval period means the time between the Stone Age period and the modern period. Okay. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Now, what is the meaning of monarchy? Monarchy means a government ruled by monarch. Monarch means king or queen. So, the meaning of monarchy is the government ruled by king or queen. And the kings pursued only their pleasure and enjoyment. They did not do anything for the welfare of their subjects. Now, what is the meaning of welfare? Welfare means a good health for others, to do something good for others. And subject means people. Okay, so these kings, they persuaded only their pleasure and enjoyment. They did not do anything for the welfare of the subjects. Now, the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishna Dev Raya. Now, the Emperor Akbar in the north, okay, and the Emperor Krishna Dev Raya in the south of Vijayanagar are famous in the history for their benevolent rule. Now, benevolent means what? Good. These two, Emperor Akbar and Krishna Dev Raya, they were famous in the history for their benevolent rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Okay. Now, these were the two kings. Now, can you see the Mughal Emperor Akbar and Emperor Krishna Dev Raya? They were benevolent in their rule. Okay. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. Okay, a large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. So now this Maharashtra was not free. Shivaji Maharaj established what? Self-government in Maharashtra. He established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Well, now, what is the meaning of Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government. Self-government means our own rule. It is not ruled by others. So, this Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now, 400 years before, a large portion of Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Now, in the medieval period, Maharashtra during the medieval period was under the rule of two sultans. Which were these two sultans? Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now, Maharashtra was ruled by whom? These two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now, Maharashtra during the period was under the rule of these two sultans. Now, these two sultans who had divided the state Maharashtra among themselves. Now, these two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur, they had divided this Maharashtra. Can you see? They had divided this Maharashtra among themselves. Okay. Now, they were these two sultans. Okay, these two sultans, they were, see, from we are starting from here. They were not liberal in their outlook. Now, what is the meaning of liberal? Liberal means they were not supportive. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other. Okay. Now, these two sultans, they were not liberal in their outlook. I told you the meaning. What is the meaning of liberal? They were not supportive in their outlook. They constantly fought against each other, and with the result, people were suffered and were harassed. Now, see, like this they harassed the people. Can you see? They harassed the people of Maharashtra. Now, as a result that the people were suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. Okay, now see these people. Now these people of Maharashtra, they could not get enough to eat, nor they could celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. So much they harassed the people of Maharashtra. Now these people, they were not sure of safety even in their own homes. Though they were in their homes, but they were not safe in their homes. Life was just miserable and there was injustice everywhere. Now we will start from here. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars. Okay. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. Now there were two Watandars, Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, who owned their Jagirs. Now what is the meaning of Jagirs? Means they had a lot of property and they loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fight among them brought a great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of these operations and were very unhappy. Now, see, these were the two Watandars, Deshmukhs and Deshpandes. Now, what is the meaning of Watandars? Watandars means rich people who had many property. And these two Watandars, they loved only their Jagirs and they had no love for their country. Now we are starting from here. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. Okay. Now Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. Now, when Shivaji Maharaj saw all this, he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Can you see? He established Swaraj. What is the meaning of Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Then he brought to book the Watandars to fight among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. Now, first what he did, he brought to book whom? These two Watandars, Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, and then he used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. Okay. Then he established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all caste and religion. What did Shivaji do? He established Hindvi Swaraj. What was Hindvi Swaraj? Hindvi Swaraj was based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to the people of all caste and religion. Can you see? He established Hindvi Swaraj. Now this is, he gave equal treatment to the people of all caste and religion. Now we will start from here. Shivaji made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religion. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped them Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints said. Now, see, in Maharashtra, during a period about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra, and Shivaji honored the saints of all religion. Okay. Maharashtra is a land of saints. During the period 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, and many saints were born in Maharashtra. Can you see the saints? Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. And make his people. I hope, children, you all must have understood the lesson very well. And now we are going to solve the exercise of the lesson which is in your textbook, page number 2. Okay, so now let us solve. First question is, fill in the blanks. First one, the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of dash period. So the answer is medieval period. Number 2, Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash. The answer is Maharashtra. Number 2, match the columns. I am giving you the answers. Emperor of Vijayanagar. Who was the emperor of Vijayanagar? Yes, Krishna Dev Raya. Sultan of Ahmednagar. Who was the Sultan of Ahmednagar? Nizam Shah. And the Sultan of Bijapur. Answer is Adil Shah. Now, question number 3. Write the answer in one sentence. Question 1. Name the king who looked after the welfare of their subjects. Now, which were the two kings who looked after the welfare of the subjects? Yes, Mughal Emperor of Akbar and the Emperor of Krishna Dev Raya of Vijayanagar looked after the welfare of their subjects. What noble task did Shivaji Maharaj undertake? Shivaji Maharaj undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj. Question 3. Who did Shivaji Maharaj fight against? Shivaji Maharaj fought against the power that oppressed the people. Now, question number 4. Find the odd man out. Now, first one is Swaraj, slavery and freedom. Now, which is the odd man? The answer is slavery. Number 2, people, subject and king. Now, which is the odd man out? The odd man is king. I hope, children, you all must have understood the lesson, and this exercise you have to copy in your exercise book. Now, children, I will give you worksheet based on the topic which you have to solve in your exercise book. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Dash was a great man. What will be the answer? Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary by singing songs and pavadas. By singing dash and dash. The answer is songs and pavadas. Even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the dash of their subjects. What will be the answer? Welfare. Shivaji Maharaj lived in the dash period. Which period Shivaji Maharaj lived? Medieval period. The two sultans had divided dash among themselves. What will be the answer? Maharashtra. Question 2. Complete the following. Number 1. Establish Swaraj. Who established Swaraj? What will be the answer? Shivaji Maharaj. Emperor Krishna Dev Raya of dash. Who is the emperor of Krishna Dev Raya? Of Vijayanagar. The answer is Vijayanagar. Mughal emperor. Who was the Mughal emperor? The answer is Akbar. Nizam Shah of dash. The answer is Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Adil Shah of dash. Answer is Adil Shah of Bijapur. Swaraj means dash. What is the answer? Swaraj means self-government. Question number 3. Rearrange the jumble words. Now the first word. What will be the answer? The answer is Maharashtra. Second is Vijayanagar. And the third one is monarchy. Now, worksheet number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. Before Shivaji, there was happiness everywhere. Was there happiness everywhere? No. So the answer is false. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppress the people. Yes, Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppress the people. The statement is correct. So the answer is true. The two sultans constantly fought against each other. Yes, the statement is correct. So the answer is true. Shivaji Maharaj made distinction among Hindus and Muslims. Did Shivaji Maharaj make distinction among Hindus and Muslims? No. So the answer is false. Shivaji Maharaj was established based on Hindavi Swaraj was established based on justice and fair play. Yes, the statement is correct. Hindavi Swaraj was established based on justice and fair play. So the answer is true. Now, question number 2. Match the following. Now, the first one is Watandars. Okay. Second is constant fighting. Number 3, Swaraj. And fourth, before Shivaji. Number 5, honored saints. Now column B, equal treatment of all religion. Number 2 is of all religions. Now Jagirs. Then fourth one is great misery and misrule everywhere. Now children, you have to match column B with column A. So now we will start with column B. Equal treatment of all. Now where was this equal treatment? Yes, Swaraj. The answer will be 3. Equal treatment of all, that is Swaraj. Now of all religions. Now what is the answer of all religions? Honored saints. Shivaji Maharaj honored saints of all religion. So the answer is 5. Of all religions, you will write 5. Now, Jagirs. Now, who had this Jagirs? Watandars. So, the answer is 1. Watandars. Great misery. Now, what is the great misery? What great misery? Constant fighting. Okay, the answer is number 2. Great misery. Constant fighting, great misery. And misrule everywhere. When was the misrule everywhere? Before Shivaji. So the answer is 4. Okay. Now number 3. Fill in the missing. Now, question number 3, fill in the missing alphabets. Now, the first one is, guess children, what will be the answer? The first one is Deshpandes. Okay. Number 2 is inspiration. Number 3 is Watandar. And number 4 is Swaraj. So children, you understood. I have already told you all the answers. Now you have to solve these worksheets in your exercise book in neat handwriting. Thank you children.